You can never tie the points together while peering ahead. You can only link them when looking behind you. So you must believe that the pieces will somehow align in your journey. You must put your faith in something, your intuition, destiny, existence, karma, whatever it may be. Because having faith that the points will converge further down the road gives you the inner strength to listen to your heart, even when it pulls you away from the standard path. And that choice alters everything. Your time on earth is short, so do not waste it fulfilling someone else's expectations. Avoid being trapped by rigid beliefs, which is simply existing on the outcomes of other people's thinking. Never let the noise of public opinions drown out your quiet conviction. You must discover what truly drives you. And that applies just as much to your profession as it does to your personal bonds. Your career is going to occupy a massive portion of your life, and the sole way to achieve real fulfillment is to pursue what you consider truly meaningful work. And the sole way to produce exceptional work is to deeply love what you do. If you haven't discovered it yet, keep searching. Never settle. Who you genuinely aspire to become. You're going to experience intense highs and deep lows. Most individuals surrender on their own potential too quickly. Do you realize how resilient the human soul is? There's nothing quite as enduring. It is nearly impossible to crush the human spirit. Anyone can stay cheerful when health is good, bills are settled, and relationships are thriving. Anyone can hold a grand vision during those times. Anyone can hold a massive vision then. Anyone can maintain faith under those effortless conditions. The true test arrives when you are slammed to the ground. It demands boldness to step forward, to remain relentless even after you have been crushed. It demands true courage to rebuild from scratch. Fear destroys ambitions. Fear destroys optimism. Fear places individuals in hospital beds. Fear can age your body and restrain you from pursuing something you know deep inside you are capable of achieving. It will simply paralyze your momentum. At the end of mere feelings lies nothing, yet at the end of every core principle lies a guarantee. Behind your fleeting emotions, there might be absolutely nothing of value. But behind every solid principle rests a guarantee. And many of you in your journey are distant from your target right now simply because you operate entirely on mood. Wrapped up in your feelings, you don't feel like getting up. Who honestly does? Every single day you say no to your ambitions, you could be delaying your progress by half a year or an entire year. That one single day, that one day you chose inaction could have set your journey back further than you realize. Refuse to let your temporary emotions rule your life. If you fail to master and restrain your emotions, they will master you. And you are going to push with everything you have to claim it. Transformation will not be easy. When you commit to change, it is far from easy. If it were truly effortless, everyone would accomplish it. But if you are genuinely committed, you will pour everything in. I am steering my own ship here. I will not allow this setback to conquer me. I will not let it break my focus. I am rising back up, and I will return stronger and sharper because of it. This demonstrates what you truly stand for. Assume complete ownership of your existence. Acknowledge where you stand today and take full responsibility for driving yourself to where you want to land. You can decide right now to live every single day as if it were your final hour. Pursue your journey with unrelenting passion, with intense drive. Decide that you are going to push beyond your limits. The final chapter of your story has not been drafted yet, and it makes no difference what transpired yesterday. It makes no difference what occurred to you. The only thing that matters is, what are you going to do about it right now? This year, I will turn this vision into concrete reality. I am done talking about it. I can. To stay the course is essential for everyone. Never surrender, never back down.